Imagination is more important than knowledge. The true sign of intelligence is not knowledge, but imagination. Imagination is everything. It is the preview of life's coming attraction. There is perhaps no stronger trait that one could have than that of strong imagination. Imagination is everything, because without it we cannot create anything new. Imagination is the preview of life's coming attraction. Because without it, we are guaranteed to repeat the same pattern, make the same mistake, and live the same life over and over again. With it, there are no limits. There are no limit to what we could attempt, no limit to how high we could soar, how big we could dream. Sure, our dream might end in the dust, but what if they don't? Would you rather live having tried to reach the life you want, or die with regret? We need to let go of our need to fit into the small box society placed us in, and we must imagine the life we really want. Then when we are certain that the life is, we have to go for it. We only get one shot at this miracle of human life. Live it fully and exactly how you want. Sure, we all have dreams. The problem is most people stuff their dreams in the closet. When things get hard, when life presents challenges, most people turn to what if they know. They turn to what is easy, but the easy road and the known will never lead you to your dream. There are only two ways to live your life. One is as though nothing is miracle. The other is as though everything is miracle. He who can no longer pause to wonder and stand rapid in awe, as good as dead. His eyes are closed. It really is that simple. It really is a choice. No matter the circumstances of our life, we can choose to see everything around us as a miracle. The very fact that we are here in a human body is said to be 1 in 400 trillion chance. Very few of us believe we are walking miracle. Sadly, so many people are walking around, living in their head, pessimistic of their future and battered from the past. So much so that they are missing the miracle in the present. Open your eyes and open your heart to the magic all around you. The miracle of human and animal life, the miracles of nature, the miracle of you, and what you are really capable of. When you let go of caring what other people think of you, choose from this very moment on in your life to seek and find the miracles around you. Great spirits have always encountered violent opposition from the mediocre mind. Albert Einstein. They say the only thing guaranteed in life are death and taxes. You can add to that list the impossibility to please everyone. The simple fact is, when you want to change as in, when you want to better your life, there will be opposition, and unfortunately that opposition is most likely to come from people too close to you. Many people won't like your advancement because it will remind them of their lack of it. Many people won't agree with your direction because it will remind them of their lack of it.